Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this fun book is Polka Dot from Melissa and Doug. This is Who's in the Ocean. This book is very interactive. It has little bubbles that you can pop on each of the animals that live in the sea. The illustrations are so beautiful, vibrant, and fun. And the book counts down from 10 all the way down to 1. And so your little one can learn about counting, learn about the different animals that live in the ocean, and just have so much fun with this interactive book. The cardboard pages are super thick, so you know that this book is going to hold up to any toddler's wear and tear. It's fun to read this book with our little one and show him where all the bubbles are, but also he likes to just pick this book up on his own and pop the bubbles, so it promotes independent play. It also helps with his fine motor skills, popping the bubbles and turning the pages on his own. So if you're in the market for a book for your child, definitely check out Melissa and Doug, Polka Dot, Who's in the Ocean. This is such a fun book for your little one. They're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.